So let's try that one again. So this time I've got my headset on and I'm assuming we've got some audio coming on through. So sorry about that. Technology and glitches, hey? Shit happens. So today I wanted to, oh, and good morning, beautiful angels, okay? So today I'm continuing on with the 44 easy ways to attract clients, and I want to talk about Facebook ads. Now, there is a difference between a local Facebook ad, so if you're running a service locally, and global Facebook ads. And I'm going to show you all, I'm going to talk about local Facebook ads. The reason why is because local Facebook ads are so much easier to do than anything that's global. When it comes to the global stuff, we're competing with so many different people and so many different algorithms as well. And unfortunately, when it comes to Facebook ads, we're asking the question these days, do you need a diploma to do this? And honestly, I'm going to go, yeah, you do. And that's when it's on more of a global scale. But when it's on a local scale, it can be much, much easier. But before we go too deeply into that, let's flip on over to the other screen. I'm going to show you all of our events that are available in Melbourne. So, for those of you that are attending Australian Hypnosis Conference, please grab your ticket for that. If you want to go VIP and get some virtual reality, please go for it. We are selling out quite fast. Okay, so it's not till November, but yes, we are selling out already. So scroll on down on our page, the link is inside the description. If you'd like to do Heal the Inner Child certification, it is fully accredited and it's just one day in Melbourne. So it's only $49 and that is on November the 14th. You can book with the button on the webpage. We also have our Gut Directed Hypnosis certification, which is accredited, recognized and certified. So that's 2 days training. It is worth 10 points towards your licensing and your memberships, and it's $697. But if you want to pay it off, please let me know. The sooner you get on a pay plan, the cheaper we can work out for it to be either weekly, fortnightly or monthly for you. So we have so many more therapists that are trained in quit smoking, but there's more people with gut related issues. So let's jump into some really, really big stuff and start helping people with gut related issues. You're going to learn 3 new hypnosis modalities. So the vagal tone, Japanese hypnosis, and paradox healing will give you absolutely everything. All of the scripts, all the criterion, and whole manual will give you absolutely everything. So this is going to be in Melbourne. We're yet to choose a location. We have 5 people registered so far, and we probably will be capping it at 10, just so we can keep the group small and keep everybody safe. So that is in Melbourne on November the 15th and 16th, so you can book on our webpage, and as soon as we've got those final numbers towards end of October, we'll book a location and get straight back onto you. But let's get on with today's video, okay? Hi Carrie, how you going? I'm taking my challenge already. Thanks for sharing. No worries, darling. So let's talk about Facebook ads, okay? So local Facebook ads. These are actually really, really simple to do. Like I said, when it comes to global stuff or you're trying to reach outside because you're an online business or something along those lines, it can be a bit more difficult because sure, you need to put your pixel code onto your web page, but then we've got events and integrations we need to do, and then there's issues with iOS. So that's Apple updates where people opted out of being tracked because of whatever reason. Blah blah blah. I'm not going into it. So local Facebook ads are the bomb, but are you going to get return on investment? Well, that's the thing. When it comes to Facebook ads, when you're very first starting with your return investment, you're not going to get a lot of return on investment, not at all. But the thing is with Facebook ads is you have to do it for at least 30 days. Because what's happening is the Facebook ad is building your algorithm to understand what your audience wants based on your services. And this can take 30, 60, or 90 days. And you need to give it time. When it comes to local Facebook ads, though, you can boost the post. So, post something that is service orientated. Unfortunately, at the moment, and we do have the ASCH and the AHA working towards this, unfortunately, at the moment, Facebook and Google don't like us advertising anything that's medical based. So, keep it based on your services. You're not allowed to say things like, do you want to lose weight? Or do you need to quit smoking? Or anything like that, because that's projecting it at the possible client. And Facebook wants this whole everybody's got to be happy whilst on our platform scenario and does people don't want to feel discriminated against. Okay, fair enough. So you're not allowed to project it at the client. You have to keep it service based. So you can say things like quit smoking available, or anything along those kinds of lines, but keep it more service based. So talk about your service rather than what it can do for people or how they may be suffering. I know, convoluted, right? But keep it service based, based in what you're offering. Now, here's the little glitch that we're having issues with when it comes to hypnotherapy. It's the word therapy, okay? So change up hypnotherapy to hypnosis in your Facebook ads, because that's where we're really struggling when it comes down to the crux of it. Because unfortunately, like I said before, Google and Facebook and that are really cracking down on anything medical, and therapy is classified as medical. So make sure inside of your picture, use the word hypnosis instead of hypnotherapy, or use the word hypnotist, sort of thing. Now, when you boost your post, target people in the local area within 100 kilometers of your location, because most people are willing to travel along those lines, okay? You can boost the post again to people who like your page and their friends. Now, like I said, at the start, you're not going to see a huge amount of return on investment, but do it for like 30 days and at least gather a couple of clients, because it's going to gather that algorithm for you, and then start working that magic a bit more. That's why you need to engage on your Facebook page on any kind of level, because you want people to like the page so you can get them to be interested in it and their friends. And if those friends are within that 100-kilometer radius, they'll get that advertising as well. So do it for 30 days, see how you go. Don't spend an absolute fortune though. For 30 days, you can easily do a Facebook ad for like $100. So don't spend thousands and thousands of dollars on it. There's a lot of people out there that'll turn around and go, oh, we get huge return on investment. Well, of course they do. They're spending $10,000 on ads every couple of months. So, of course they do. They're reaching more people, they're turning it more over. So, unless you're willing to go get a loan from the bank or invest $10,000 that perhaps you might lose, just stick to the $100 mark for the 30-day period and just allow the magic to flow. Get those inquiries, get those messages, and do those consults and start helping out people more and more. So, otherwise, from that, my beautiful angels, give that a crack, see how you go, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.